So the plan was to come to East Lake and shoot some photos, but when I got here there were so many people and I got a bit of stage fright. There were so many people here. I was already nervous about coming here, which I'll get into a bit later. So I just sat on my own and played with the drone. But luckily I met a really nice man and he wants to shoot some videos with me. So maybe I've got some B-roll coming from someone else. So first we're gonna go and see this lovely man and then I'll get back to you. So my friend is here now shooting my video and I think I'm gonna be famous. This is East Lake. There's a phrase, it's a 跳东湖, which means jump in East Lake.
录的时候你就边说的话，从这边走过去嘞 ，Let's go。
哎，
来到那个地方，我们从那里汇合，我从这边过来 ，OK。
所以我要一个 train。
对，你就到那个地方 stop。
在哪里 stop？
对，在那 stop。
在哪里 ？OK，Yes， 可以。
你东西拿到没关系的吧？
我不要拿那么多东西。
OK， 好，放一下。哎，帮他看一下啊，你的东西我们有人在那里。
Morning，
谢谢。Morning，
早
啊，谢谢啊。
Excuse me, where come from country?
Oh, thank you, 谢谢。
好。
Where
are you from?
英国。
啊，一个人。
Yeah.
爱尔兰一个人。
我也是。
蛮好的。
我也是。So friendly, so many friendly people. Okay, I need to get directed now, so I'll talk to you later. Alright, I'm gonna jump in the water. I was gonna do more of an introduction, but these guys want to film me, so let's go. This is where we're going. I've got an audience, and let's hope my GoPro is waterproof. 3, 2, 1. Hey! I'm not gonna lie, I'm not entirely sure where we are with this video right now. It's been a bit of a crazy morning. It's about 7 AM now. Everyone's left. Just me and this auntie dancing. I'm not dancing. I think I'm gonna go get some breakfast, collect my thoughts, and then see where we can take it from there. I will say, it's a bloody lovely day. Perfect for jumping in the water. I'm gonna have to stop the video now because after all of that, I got home, had a nap, and then started looking at the footage, and I couldn't make a story out of it. I'm sorry, I'm still new to this, and I'm still learning, and storytelling is really hard. So I think this is a bit of a little bit of a hectic video, or maybe it doesn't seem like it, but it was definitely a hectic day. To reward you for getting so far, I've got a really embarrassing clip that I'm going to show you now. The videographers, the filmmakers, whatever, they directed me to walk around East Lake, and I did everything they said, and it's awful, in my opinion. The filming is good, but the model is awful, so I'm just going to show that to you now, and I'll see you in the next video. Like I said, this is this is a ongoing process. So if there's anything you want to see, please don't forget. Just tell me what you think. Like, do you like the drone shots at the beginning? Do you think that music at the end was a little bit too depressing? What do you want to see? What do you want to see me do? Do I waffle on too much? Please, all of that stuff, just let me know. Okay, here you go. Here's your treat.